thanks a lot for joining in. It's Franci here for Sunny Studio Stamps, and today we're going to create this pastel Hello Kitty card. I already created my card base behind the camera, and here I have a piece of white cardstock that's 4 1/4 by 2.5 inches. I'm coloring it by sponging some picked raspberry distress ink, starting from the right to the left to create a soft pink ombre look. Once I'm finished with my ink blending, I'm moving on to my images. So here I have a bunch of cuties I stamped from the Tea-riffic set and the Summer Sweets one. I am going to pop on some music and color them all with my Copic markers. As you just saw, I used the B000 marker and the E33 one for the little teacup, then YG00 and Y00 for the teapot, and YR15 and Y35 with all the other blue and greens for my iced tea. Then I added some rosy cheek to them all using R22, R20 and R000. I die cut all the images behind the camera, and then I'm temporarily placing them onto my card. As I'm happy with the design, I'm going to adhere them down onto my little pink panel with some foam adhesive. I decided to create kind of a little border here with all my tea themed images, and I love it so much. The teacup and the teapot images from the Tea-riffic set are so cute. I already created another project with them. It's a Mother's Day card, kind of picnic inspired, and it's up on my blog and the Sunny Studio one, so be sure to check it out. I'm adding the last iced tea cup here, and then I'm using some white craft foam and runner tape to adhere my decorated panel onto my card. Then I'm using my stamping platform to stamp my sentiment, and I chose the Hey Cutie from the Summer Sweet set because it's my fave. There is also one that says for my bestie. That's super cool too. And I don't know why, but I love cute food related sentiments. I think they're so much fun. Back to my card, I actually stamped this sentiment a couple of times to achieve a neat and crisp look. And as you can see, since my project is almost done, I use some purple tape too to hold it down to be extra safe. Here I have some Sunny Studio embellishments, and I am placing some of these pastel confetti onto my scene. As they look fine to me, I'm going to secure them down with some liquid glue behind the camera. Finally, I'm adding a little heart I die cut from some gold glitter paper using the tiny hot die included in the comic strip Everyday Die set with some foam adhesive. I hope you like this clean and simple pastel card, and thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to leave me some love and all your questions in the comment section down below, and be sure to check all the linked supplies in the video description. I'll see you very soon with another cute project. Bye!